Before I say anything, I want make una listen to this video.
This protest, your Igbo must go, and the scrap of a unitary system is a must, and it's coming, and it's going to be loud. It's going to, whoever that want to die should go and die. It's in our space. This is our heritage. This is the land our father fought for, and we will not allow anybody, no matter how many acres of land you buy, it is our land, and your land, your purchased land, have expired time. Therefore, you cannot claim ownership. So thank you, Madam Ajoke.
The kind of insult some of the Yorubas are giving Igbos in Lagos, this Lagos. In fact, no state in Nigeria where don't give Igbos the kind of insult where some Yorubas in Lagos don't give Igbos. These people has been threatening Igbos to leave Lagos for them, some of the Yorubas. Even their governor practice and demolishing their house and their shops, and nobody is talking anything about it. I'm telling you before, there is nothing like one Nigeria. And some of the Igbos will not get sensed. See the buy land in Lagos, building mansions there. Some of you Igbos now are trying to buy a plot of land, 300 million naira, 500 million naira, to build house. But look at where Enugu State, Lion Business Park, look at it here in Igbo land, where they open the largest market in Africa, where all of you supposed to come to develop. Some of you keep quiet.